What is going on, guys? It is Parker here bringing y'all another video. Super exciting video. I know it's been like a month since I've made a video, but I've had some really big things happening. As y'all can see in the title, I did buy a house and a big old workshop. So we're gonna show y'all that here in a sec. But first, I want y'all to see this like beautiful kind of view we got going over here. We got some nice trees and some cool old barns and houses out through there. We are like out in the country over here, which is really cool, guys. So let's come up here and check out the house. Well, guys, here is the house. Now, first of all, we have the old trusty Sequoia over here. Now, since my last video, I did have a little run-in with a deer. If you come over here, there's still some hair in there, so we need to get that fixed, but it's a work in progress. It's fine. But yeah, take a quick look at the little house. This is just a little ranch built in 1962. Let's take a little look around it. We have a little front door that I'm definitely never ever gonna use. We do have AC, and that's a plus. We have a nice little yard back here. Don't know what I'm gonna do back here yet, but it is cool to have a little bit of a yard. We got a cool shed over here to put like yard tools in and stuff like that. Show that to y'all real quick. Pretty cool, nice and spacious. You stay here, I'm gonna show them the roof. You can like walk up here on the roof, guys. This thing is so cool. I can set some chairs out here, have some drinks, do whatever. It would be really cool. We have a little cool little deck porch area. Got a little grill over here. Nice little swing over here that the owners were nice enough to leave me. It's a lot of work. A bunch of stuff needs to be done here. Thinking about maybe building some sort of grill or something here. Not sure yet. Definitely still a mess at the moment. Not much to see inside the house, but I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tour of it. So here it is. Still need to do a lot with furniture and whatnot, but it's still a big mess at the moment, but we'll work on it here soon. Got a little TV over here, some old couches. We have this big room over here. This was a living room, but we might turn it into like a game room or something like that. I'm not sure. Now, I really love old barns. So we got this really cool picture over here. And then this really cool one over here as well. And then down through here. This right here is my room. I've got almost nothing in it at the moment, but it's a little work in progress for sure. I have a little station for my computer, a TV. We have a TV stand that I just built the other night, and my little bed, and then I have my own little bathroom over there. And then we have the main bathroom, guest bedroom, and then my roommate's bedroom over here. No need to show you all that. And then we have our little kitchen. It's super messy, guys, so don't rush me too hard, but yeah. Just a little old kitchen, but it gets the job done. Great for some cooking and whatnot. Oh, and then in here we have a little laundry room. So we've got the washer and dryer and my hot water tank and all that, and a little bit of storage over here. Now for the most exciting part, guys, we got a big old workshop. Super excited about that, guys. Means if it's raining, if it's snowing, cold out, whatever, really hot out, I can make videos in this thing, so that will be great. It's gonna be huge for the channel. So here is the workshop, guys. This thing is 40 by 30 feet. It is absolutely huge. You can fit 4 cars in here easily. It will be a great workshop slash garage. Come inside and see what we are working with here. Now at the moment it's a big mess. I gotta pull out this wall. You can see we've had a bunch of water damage and whatnot. But once we do that, we'll be able to put shelves all over here, build a workbench, and then we can have all this just nice and open. Just come on inside here. We've got an old bathroom over here. It's disgusting. It needs to be torn out, but we'll get to that soon. I'm gonna flip on some lights for y'all. It lights up nicely. This place was a body shop at one point. We do have an air compressor out back, and it's fully ran for all that. We of course have my car sitting in here, so I can do work on it. I can keep it nice and clean and dry, just do whatever else I want to. I got these at Lowe's, guys. These things are great. Definitely gonna get some more just so we have plenty of storage. Got some old trash over here that we need to get rid of. Show y'all around the building real quick. We have a super old compressor over here. At the moment, it still works though, so I cannot really complain too much. What?
There's a snake.
There's that little snake over here. That's good. We got a bunch of nice room in here, guys. I'm gonna clean all this up, make it real nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but who knows? We will figure it out. And then I've got all this land down to the road so I could build some stuff. Who knows? We have just so many options. Anyway, guys, this is super, super exciting. Cannot wait to bring y'all all kinds of videos and whatnot. Just having this garage mainly is gonna be huge. Gonna be able to make just so many videos and do so many projects. Also, I really love, there's this really old house and some barns down there. I just love old houses and barns, guys, and it's so cool. And we got some more right across from the house right there, and then there's another one over here you can't really see, but I just think that is absolutely awesome. Okay, guys, this time that really should end the video. Again, I've said it 3 million times, but so excited about this. Just so cool to have my own space, be able to build stuff, be able to make tons of videos, be able to play over here, not having to worry about really disturbing neighbors or any of that. So excited, guys. Content is gonna be absolutely awesome. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you wanna see. I do wanna make some videos just kind of showing me doing some remodeling in the shed and maybe in the house, maybe some random yard related stuff, but mainly gonna stick to the car audio for y'all. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I've got a bunch of stuff to do to this guy, so cannot wait to get some more stuff out to y'all. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for more.
Hey